In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor module on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located underneath the glove box. Let's get into it. Underneath there's some screws. There's one right here and over here. I'm going to use a T20 socket. Take these out. Just grab that panel, pull it down, and pull it forward. Underneath there is a light, so just grab the connector, disconnect the connector, so you can pull that panel out of the way. You can see the module right here, the connector. We're going to disconnect the connector. There's just two tabs on the sides. Push on those tabs, disconnect that, and there's another connector. Push on those tabs, disconnect that, pull that out of the way. That's good. And we have two screws, one there, one over here. Now I'm going to use a T20 socket, take these screws out. And pull that out. I'm going to take the module, the new one, get this lined up. Get this back one started first as I can see it. Just snug that down, and I'll take the other one. And snug that down. Take the connectors, line that up, lock it down. The other connector, the bigger one, get that lined up, click it in place. That's good. Push the wires out of the way. Take this shield, take the connector, line that up, lock it in place. This back in place. Right there's a little area that it needs to slide onto. It's lined up. I'm going to take the screws, get the screws started. One right here. One on the other side. Oh, there was a slide in the back here too. It's gonna slide on. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.